In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts in Photoshop. So the first thing you need to do is close down the Photoshop application. And then from here, we're going to head over to an internet browser. Now in your internet browser, search for DaFont and then hit enter. And you need to head over to the first website, which is www.dafont.com. Now from here, there's thousands of different free fonts that you can choose from and you can use in your Adobe Photoshop project. So all you simply need to do is select the font that you want to use and hit the download button, and this is going to go ahead and download to your computer. So once it's finished downloading, simply open up the zip file, and then from here you need to extract the files to your computer. So I'm just going to press extract all, select where you want to extract these files to, and select extract. So once you've finished extracting the font files, you should see this file type called true type font file. Now this is the file that you need to open on your computer. It should have the extension .ttf. So what I'm going to do is just double click on this file and then click on the install button in the top left hand side. So once that's finished installing, we just need to make a mental note of what this font is called. So you can see that this particular font is called Super Kinds. So now what we can do is head back over to Adobe Photoshop, and then from here you can either open a project or create a new one. And now if I head over to the text tool and start typing some text, if I then select the font type, I can use the search box to search for my font, which was Super Kinds. And as you can see, this is the font that we just downloaded to our computer, and if I select this, our now custom font is imported into Adobe Photoshop. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.